Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at Invideo and how we can make money by using it. So let's jump into it, guys. A little bit about me. I'm Jay Roberts, the geeky dad. Hence, look at all the geeky stuff behind me. I am a single dad trying to make money online and build my empire for my boys. And whatever I learn, I share with you guys. So let's get into this and let's have a look how we can make some money, guys. This is Invideo. It is a video creation app. It's stored on the internet, which means you don't have to download anything. You don't have to, so by not downloading it, you won't clog up your computer. So that's a good bonus point. And another good thing is, guys, it is free. Well, it's got a 14-day free trial. So come on it, download, make loads of videos, make some money. And if you fancy signing up for it, then there you go. And there will be a link in the description, guys, and in the comment section. So if you want to check it out, get your free 14-day trial, get a bit of a discount as well. Go through my link. I do earn a commission if you sign up for it, but it will not be at no extra cost to you guys. Like I said, you get a 14-day free trial and you get a discount for going through my link, which will be in the description and the comment section. But anyway, let's get into this, guys. Invideo, this is the screen what pops up. You can make pre-made templates, text to video, and start from scratch. Yeah, you've got over 3,000 templates, which are these here. Before we go down and look at some, you can choose which style you want. Wide, which is 16.9, which is for YouTube. Square, 1.1, looks like Facebook ads and Facebook and that. Then you got your vertical for your stories and that on your Instagram and your Facebook stories. Yeah. Now, the good thing about this, I like the templates. This is what mainly we're going to be looking at today and focusing. We'll come back, maybe look at the text to video, but we'll stay away from the black canvas for now. Now, they show you what's hot, what's trend, what's doing really well on here. And if you go over it, it shows you like a clip of it. And if you want to use it, you click on it. All these templates, you can edit any way you want. You can change things around. You can put your logo, put your description, etc., your details. So what I like about this, if you come over here, you can look at more, is gives you an idea of what if you've not got the creative mind, it gives you a lot more idea. It gives you the editor's picks every month. It shows different days of the month. What's just added, some good ones. Most of these, you can click on like this little part here, and it'll show you lots more, guys. Or you can click on there to view all under this category. You got your handpicked ones. You got your intros and outros. So if you're starting a YouTube channel, or you've already got one, you want to change it around, you can come here and have a look. Then you got your top categories. You got your brand promos if you want to do your brand and that. Little videos, what give a bit of info, etc. Then you got your offers, and if you want to do offers and coupons, video testimonials, which are always good for your websites and for other customers finding you. Then you got your product video ads, which are quite popular for like your what do you call it? Your drop shipping. Sorry guys, my mind went blank there. Like you can change all this around, put your product there, change whatever you need to change, and there you go, guys. It's already done for you guys. And then you got your more brand motion quotes if you want to do quotes, video presentations, which is like little countdown video, like top 5 and 3 different ways, and yeah, get the gist of it, guys. So what we're going to look at is different ways how to make money. Now, an example of what I've done before, right? I find things like this, guys, like your food ones, and I go on it and I change things around and I contact people. But if you come over to like places like Fiverr, this is one way you can do. I've just typed in listicle videos, which is if you type in here listicle, Like here, it gives you like your top 5 these kind of videos. Like these, like a countdown. They're quite nice, very good videos, very well made. Yeah, so things like this guy. So we've come over here, and as you can see, like this guy here, well, they all are. You create a gig on Fiverr, upload some of your sample videos, and all you need to do, guys, you don't have to do anything. Download them, download 3 or 4, come to Fiverr, make a gig, show what you can make, and then you've got your own little shop set up with your own gigs. Then you can create different gigs, guys. Like you can have a gig called listicle videos. You can type in explainer videos, yeah. Then you can make a gig like that. You can also do. We've got lots of different types of videos, so you could make. You could even do logos, logo designs, yeah. Yeah, your intros, your outros. You can do all this over on. Let's go back to home. You can do all this over on here, so you could do like find. You can make all these different. You could even you could type in a gig on Fiverr called intro outro and download loads of these, upload them to your Fiverr, then download some listicle videos, and then have 4 or 5 different gigs over on Fiverr. So when people are searching for videos, they might come to logo designs, they might come to was video in here. But you get the idea, guys. If you come over to Fiverr, search for any kind of video, then go back over to here, download, make some videos of that, and then also you can come to a place called Upwork or any freelance site you can find, guys. You can come to and use Invideo. So I've just typed in here, explain a video, and then it brings up all these different people who are looking for videos, explainer videos. You could type in listicle videos, intro, outro, and then you could just all you do is click on it and you apply for these jobs, guys. And look, some of them are charging like $12 to $25 an hour, yeah. Then you've got other people 35 budget, and they've got budget, and then see £100 budget, £500 budget. There was one earlier what I was looking at, guys, and it was like another 500 there, it was like 3,000. So many. But one way, what I do, guys, one of them I do. Say, for instance, this one, guys, these food ones, yeah, or whatever it could be, any kind of. You could find beauty. You could find. You could find beauty. You could find like your food ones, your fitness ones, your any sort of like business you can think of. Find like a video of these, download a few different samples, examples and that, yeah, guys. And then what I do, I go over to Facebook, I type in, say for instance, restaurants, London, or whatever area you live in, then I come to places like this, just for instance, this is an example, and then I message them, right? Then when I message them, I'll just click on message, and I will type in, are you looking something like? Are you looking for a video? Here is an example one, and I send them the video, and then I take it from there, and it could be anything. It could be fitness, So you could go. Where you want. You don't have to be London, like I said. It's a random one, So you look for like gyms and instruct fitness guy and that, Then you come over to here, type in fitness. Look, you can make all these different. You can send them this and say, do you want like review videos? I can make review videos. I can make fitness testimonials, fitness videos, posters, boot camp, promotions. And you can just send to lots of different people. That's what I do, guys. I literally, say for instance, I'm into fitness. I'll just download different kinds of videos of fitness. I will go to Facebook, yeah, and other social medias, and I will contact them, and I will send like a bit of a message, show them a few different examples, and say, "I'd like to work. If you're interested, I'd like to work with you," and just take it from there, guys. Get to know them, get talking to them, and then charge whatever you decide to charge, guys. Videos are going from anywhere between like $50 to like $250. Some are even more expensive. Like, and if you go over to like your sites, like your freelancer sites, yeah, your freelancer sites, you can type in different like video, like even just type in video. Let's see what video brings up. It's going to bring up loads. You can have UK only, which is where I'm from. You can have like the worldwide, and then you read it, you see what kind of video they want, and if it's something you can make on Invideo, message them. Yeah. Same with Fiverr. Once you set up Fiverr, people can contact you. Yeah. And then your shop, it's like a little shop, a little business up online ready for you guys whenever they want it. But if you were to do this, set all your videos up, then go over to freelancer sites, not just Upwork, there's quite a few more. Top of my head, it's gone a bit blank. But then apply for quite a few different jobs. Also go over to Facebook, searching different different niches and different businesses. Contact loads of different people, yeah, and then you've got that's like 3 different ways how you can make money. But then there's a 4th one, guys. If you look at this guy, this channel, F List, I talked about it in another video. He makes these sort of videos. It's just like a stock video or stock photo ground, and then words up. If you come over to Invideo, you go to back to home a minute, and you go to this bit here, text to video. These are the kind of videos what he's got on his channel. You can have different styles. You can change it all to where you want it, guys. I'm sorry if I keep going over all the pictures and making it look up all like that. Yeah. And these are the type of videos. Yeah, this is more like his. About that line there. Like these kind, and all just the writing on the bottom. And that's what he does. And if we go to look, he's making between $78 and $1,200 a month. Yeah, guys. Let's go to his channel. He's got like 14,000 subscribers. But I found loads of these. This was just an example. If you look at some of my previous videos, you will see that I've shown these as well. I have also made another video of showing 3 different channels without different categories, different like ways you can make money as well from Invideo. Yeah, but if you look at his videos, they're all the same. If you look at they've all got like the writing on the bottom. Yeah. And the good thing about Invideo as well is when you're making a video, you can use voiceover. Yeah, you can use your own voice. You can if you've got a microphone, just click it and it will take you scene by scene. So it doesn't have to rush all the way through the video. You can just do it scene by scene, or you can use their inbuilt AI voices, which some of them do sound robotic, but there is quite a lot, and they're getting better, guys. There's quite a few different to choose from, and they've all got different accents from different countries, and so you can make foreign videos. I'm English speaking, but you can make Spanish, German, French, whatever you want to do. Yeah, you can make it. So you can make these videos. You can make it like a foreign YouTube channel with these videos, or if you've got foreign contacts on your Facebook and all that, you can even say that. You can even message people who are looking for voiceovers, and you can make these voices on your videos. Just download them, guys. So that is Invideo. Invideo is a great tool, guys. Like I said, you've got a 14-day trial. If you go through my link, you get a discount as well. And if you go through my link, comment below that you've signed up, and I will maybe we can help each other. If you get stuck and you need help making some videos, I can help you. I run a video marketing agency called Roberts Media, and I make these sort of videos for my clients, so I know they work. This is why I'm recommending it, guys. It's a really good tool, and like I said, you can make them for YouTube, all your different social media sites, guys, and there's lots of different ways you can make this. This is just like 3 or 4 different ways I've showed you today, guys. You've got your Fiverr, you've got your freelance websites, you've got your Facebook, contact them on Facebook and your social media. You've got YouTube. If you set all these up, guys, and just keep constantly making videos and contacting people, etc., there's no way you can't make multiple incomes. Yeah. And then once you get it set up on your YouTube and you've got YouTube monetized, there's no way it's a good way to earn passive income. I know you're making the videos, but in time they'll start making money, bringing money in each month. Clients will start contacting you when you're on your freelancer sites and on your Fiverr site. Yeah, people on Facebook will reply to you. They won't all reply. They don't all reply to me, but they will reply. Some do, guys, and it's a good way, guys. It's relatively cheap. I think there's like 3 different packages. You've got your free package. One's free. The others, I think it's $20 a month, guys. That's if you sign up for it. If you don't want to sign up for it, just get the free package. Yeah. And yeah, guys, there's a link down below, so feel free to go through that. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you've not done so already, please subscribe. I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. As you can see, I mean, it's going dark. You can't hardly see Superman, which is a shame. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, bye.